when you were younger, size was related to leadership. Of course, as you grow older, it's not important anymore. So I think that, of course, I had that experience of becoming an officer in a classroom student government. I was captain ball of the NPS mini music basketball team. But assuming a leadership position at the school level, I didn't have that position. Two things. One, I was very interested in sports rather than in other activities. So maybe if there was training on leadership, it was really my involvement in sports.
Your was I want to do too.
Now, when I was younger, now I think you look at yourself as primarily a family person or a family man. So I guess in my case I need to balance work and family.
Ang aming po pagbati sa mga panauhin ng lungsod ng Naga, ang DepEd Naga at Naga City Government sa National Secondary Press Conference. At sa amin pong pagpasalamat na nabigyan kami ng pagkakataon na may pamalas namin ang kakayahan ng lungsod at may pakita po yung hospitality ng mga Bicolano.